Talking my excuses that I'm young and I'm only getting old.
Somebody should have told you. Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. Today you guys are doing a cute little impromptu video. I don't like the word little, let me take that back. Today we're doing a cute impromptu video. Okay, I'm going out with the girls to celebrate the birthdays, and I am putting together two fragrances that I think will smell phenomenal together. I've never tried this fragrance combo before. I've seen it done with the men's version of this fragrance and the same fragrance, so I'm gonna put it to the test with the women's fragrance. If you've been watching the channel for any amount of time, I shared this with you guys. I am mixing tonight since it is girls night. I'm not trying to be really sexy, you know what I mean? I don't even want to be hit on because I already got a boo and a bae and a guy and all that stuff, good stuff at home, so I'm not really trying to go for that, but I am trying to go for that chic, classy, boss. I know my worth, okay? I could bring it to the table, all the bacon, and fry it too. If you got that, hit the like button. If you didn't, you already know, hit the subscribe button. It really doesn't matter. Over here, we just hit buttons. So I am going to rock Creed Aventus for her, and I'm going to mix it with, I don't care, Baccarat Rouge 540. You guys, it is what it is. I am obsessed. I've said this from the time I received this fragrance or purchased it, whatever you want to say. I'm obsessed with Baccarat Rouge 540, and I don't care how many people own it, how many people rock it, how many people say it's basic. I've never been one to follow trends. I always do me, okay? So I'm gonna always rock it, okay? It's a forever, it's a for lifer in my collection. So I am putting this on. This has a really nice crisp note to it. It has a green apple. I don't have the notes off hand, but I'll put them up on the screen. And then, you know, this has an ambergris in it, and it smells like burning burnt sugar. I just think putting these together, a boss, and then the confidence, and then, you know, bringing them together is just gonna create some type of mood, and I'm kind of feeling some type of way. So I kind of like want to put these to the test and try it out. So I'm gonna rock this green blouse. It's a shirt, but I'm making it a dress that I picked up from Aritzia. I picked up some cute like mules or some sort from H&M, so I'm gonna put those with it. And then I am gonna carry this Gucci bag because the green is gonna pop from the green in the shirt. And then it is still daytime right now, so of course we have to arrive in sunny Dorling. And of course she's gonna arrive in these. Hello, I told you, it's something about the cat eye, you guys. It just lifts the face, and it goes really good with my face shape. And I have to leave. So yeah, I hope this is fun. If I do bring the camera, I'll bring the camera in. I'll share a little bit of it with you guys. If I do not, I will have my phone. In case you didn't know, I upgraded to the iPhone. New phone, who dis? You guys, oh my gosh, I feel like a child, okay? We are not here for your iPhone, girl, but it is so hard to go from the Android. I had the Samsung Galaxy 10 Plus or something, and I was good with it. I wasn't gonna upgrade it, but one day I took a picture with an iPhone, and then I took a picture with my Samsung, and I was like, hold up. The quality is not even remotely given. And if you have a Samsung, I just came from there. It was just that, oh shoot, the quality was so much better. My phone was a little older, but still, I mean, the quality was better. I have a Mac, I have a, you know, iPad, I have all Apple products. My phone was the only thing that I had was an Android or a Samsung. So I just said, just forget it, just upgrade the whole thing. I'm still learning. I don't have nobody's number no more, so if I don't contact you back, I mean, everything is all new, so I'm getting around to it, so I might be slower. But anyways, nonetheless, I am having fun with it. I do like it. I did just get a new MacBook Pro as well. I did get an Apple Watch. Hello, who is she becoming? You guys, were just catching up right now, okay? I am becoming the Apple girl. So yeah, so I cannot wait to rock these tonight. I'll let you know if I receive any compliments. I'll let you know time, how long it lasts, if it project, if they stopped in the streets and was like, hold up, who smells that good? You know I'm already about to overspray. I'm going to overspray. You already know that. I'm going to spray my entire body out of this robe down to the back of my heels and my ankles, all the way up to the nape of my neck. Hello, excuse you, yes. And I'm gonna spray my clothes. So I am gonna head up and get out of here, but I did wanna take this moment to kind of do stuff like this. You guys were asking for more outfit pics. I'm on my what would I call it? Creativity, explore, I don't know, whatever. But I just want to do different things. And so I'm trying all a lot of different things on the channel just to see, you know, what they do. I'm having fun. So I hope you are having fun. You know I can't talk when I get excited. And I had a double espresso. Please don't judge me. Oh, and if I haven't told you guys, Celsius are amazing. They are absolutely phenomenal. I've been having them every day before my workout, and they just get it in. I mean, I'm on that run like, what's good? And the music is going too. Oh my gosh. And you know, when I'm working out, I need like that kind of music, right? I can't do the soft stuff. I need the stuff that's like, you know, Lil Baby. Oh God, not the baby. But I mean, you know, just the people, Jay-Z, Kanye, there's just a bunch of people. I just put on hip hop hard banging playlist. Cardi B, Nicki, all the girls, all the guys, you know, Jay-Z, and they just get it done. Drake sometimes messes up the flow. I'm gonna just be honest, because sometimes, you know, we'll be going and then he'll come on with Daddy's home or Poppy's home, and I'm like, what in the world? Like, no, it is not time for this. So yeah, I had to X him out the playlist. Drake, don't be mad at me. I'm sorry, but you just weren't not working in with what we were doing with the moment. I'm sorry, you weren't giving. So I need hard music when I work out. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna go. I'm sure I'll get a full OOTD. If not, you guys, you already know. My shirt is just so open. I mean, I'm not that girl. Excuse you. Anyways, yeah, I'll touch base when I get back. Okay, this is a look for the night. I straightened my hair. I took all the curls out. You guys, I did it myself. And I use this new shampoo, conditioner, and I think it's a mask that I picked up from Nordstrom's during the Nordstrom's anniversary sale. I believe it's called the Olaplex. You already know I could be making something up, girl. Guy, you already know how that goes. I'm gonna link everything that I'm talking about today. If I can find the blouse from Valencia, the shoes from H&M, everything I will link in the description box, so just check everything there. But yeah, I picked it up, and you guys, look. I mean, is it giving her? She did that. When I say she, I mean me. I did this because I was working out all week, so I was like, no heat, we're just gonna, you know, make it do what it do. So then I picked that up from Nordstrom's. If you're following me on Instagram, I shared that with you when I picked it up, and I was like, let me try it out. You guys, it is really good. Hair looks healthy and strong and bouncy. Yeah, I didn't have time for the curls today because it took a long time, so I was like, we'll do the curls another day. But I really have been liking them, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, tonight's combo thumbnail. Here we go. Ta-da! Okay, all right, you guys, stay tuned. Oh, and I came up with a name. You guys, what do you think of, you know how you come on and I talk to you on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere? I'm about to be late. That's why I knew. Okay, anyways, you guys, don't make me late. You know how I'm always telling you about hello, beautiful people. I just feel like you guys are like my besties, and you always tell me like I'm your bestie in your head, and like we're friends and we're all chatting on everything. Somebody was telling me about the relationship. It was so much fun. I was over on Instagram. Okay, girl, we don't have time for your 2.5s today. Anyways, yeah, so I was thinking of beautiful besties. Hello, beautiful besties. Let me know if you like the ring to that. I kind of like it because it encompasses everything, and it's near and it's endearing, and it's kind of personal too, because it's like your bestie, things and people that you get excited to share things with that mean something to you. When you get something new, you want to call them and tell them about it. When you find a good deal, you want to share it with them. You know, when you're just needing to vent, you vent to them. When you're feeling good and happy, you call them. And that's how I feel about you guys. Like tonight, I'm getting ready to go to girls' night, and I'm not filming, I'm not doing videos or anything, but I was just like, I want to share this with the girls and the guys, you know, what I'm wearing tonight and what the fragrance combo is. And so I picked up instead of picking up the phone, I pick up the camera, you know what I mean, and I talk to you. So let me know if you like beautiful besties, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys. Sure, the fragrance lasts longer, you guys. I did put on the body cream, I did put on the hair mist or hair perfume, and I tapped the back of my I was running up the stairs to remind myself to share this with you guys. I tapped the back of my heels and my ankle and my knees with a little bit of the oil and behind my ear. So let's see if this helps the fragrance to last longer, and I'm out. These are the shoes. Oh God, you guys can't see them. Anyways, these are the shoes. This is the shirt dress. Here is my bag. So you see how the green in the back, you guys, can you even see that? So you see how the green in the bag is kind of sort of going with the green in the shirt, just a tad bit, just a little bit. I put my studs in because I just thought it was a little bit too much. So yeah, I took that out. I added my Chanel necklace with it. And then this is the look. It's you. All right, we are in the car and we're in Rouge. By the way, today is Saturday. I don't know if I said that or not, but today is Saturday. And I kind of feel crazy because I need to put my glasses on, but I have eyelashes on, and my spectacles cannot go over my eyelashes, darling, without crushing them. So it's like, girl, you better get there while the sun is out, because if you wait, I'm not gonna be able to see. So on the way home, you guys, it's probably gonna be dark, and I am probably going to have to take my eyelashes off so that I can drive and see heading home. So I will see you when we get there, because you know I can't do two things at one time. Well, I can't talk and drive, and the camera is in a position where it's gonna fall any moment now. So I will see you when we get there. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Would you like bottled water or regular?
Regular with lemon fries for me.
Okay.
Great. Sure. We made it. You guys, we made it here, and I am with the bros. So we were waiting for like, oh, never mind. I ain't gonna even say it. Never mind. Y'all want to say hi? Hi. YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Yeah. Yes. Say hi. Hi, YouTubers. Yes. They're celebrating Adrian's birthday. We have somebody else, but she's not here yet. So we'll tell you about her when she gets here.
I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride.
Fragrance right now, you guys, listen. I am smelling my fragrance right now. I keep getting a whiff of it, and I am purring like nobody's business. So this combo is absolutely amazing, and you need to try it. It's good, good. Okay, bye. Thank you, Cheraye. You're welcome. It's sweet. Somebody might bite on it. It's sexy. It's soft. Especially to the regular flower bomb, it's not as sharp or strong. But yeah. Don't forget it.
A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the
I know it's boring. I got a salad. I know. And I am drinking ginger ale, and it is mixed with a splash of, club soda, and it's mixed with a splash of ginger ale. So this is what it's giving. Monique got, I don't know what she got. Oh my God, a spaceship.
have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real.
We had a good time. Good night, everybody. Good night. Good night.
They done baptized the bad guy.
You're
So
just
don't follow
throwing
the
everything. You guys, it was such a beautiful night. My fragrance was purring all night. Forgive me, I have gum in my mouth, but my fragrance was purring all night. I smelled absolutely amazing, so good. And now I am about to, I am about to hit on the road and drive home. So if I do not talk to you guys anymore tonight, it's been real. I will see you in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous. Do it. Thanks for watching. Bye. I had to put my glasses on, and I secured my eyelashes so much, you guys, that I can't even pull them off. So it is what it is. I just have to smash them and put my spectacles on so I can see how to get home. And we are back. Okay, you guys, wait a minute. A quick 2.5. First of all, I tried this combo before. I believe Creed Aventus for her and Baccarat Rouge 540, and it did not give. If you remember, I did that staycation when I went down to the Ritz, and I was sharing with you guys that that was my scent of the day, that I was trying it out. I was wearing it before I even knew it was a thing. I had already tried it, and I was like, oh, it wasn't giving. And I don't know, I seen it on a website for Sense Gift, the company that I am working with, and I have seen that they paired it together, but they did the men's version. I'm going somewhere, stay with me. And so I was like, oh, camera, are you focused on my face? So I was like, okay, let me try it. And It didn't give anything. And so I tried it again today, and you guys, you have got to stop what you're doing. If you have these 2 fragrances, if you have 2 dupes of them, no matter what you have, if you have anything that even remotely smells like this, you've got to try this combo. It is absolutely amazing how I layered it, just because I know someone will ask. Hold on, let me put the camera down because you already know that I will be tired of holding it. How I did it was like, let me say my base that I did. Oh, girl. Let me show you the base that I did start with. I did start with the body cream, as I showed you, the hair mist, and then the body oil. I definitely went in with the body with the skincare, okay? Exfoliated the whole 9, the whole bit. The shower part, the part that is going to help the fragrance to smell even better is you hitting some water, some soap and water by that. And then I went in and I said, I'm going to put the heavier one because this to me is a bit louder. So I went in with Creed Aventus first. And then, but I had prior already put on the body lotion, the body cream, whatever, the, you know, the oil, everything like that. And then I went in with this, right? And I was like, okay, now right before I walked out the door, I did it in my bare clothes. I mean, in my bare birthday suit, what have you, whatever. And then I said, well, you know, I have to get it on the clothes. So then this type of a blouse, this is the one I picked up from Valencia. You guys, it is super, super cute. Absolutely love it. It's like a t-shirt dress. I got full length pictures, so I'll share it with you. I'll insert them somewhere. Anyways, that's not why we're here. So I said, okay, let me put this as a topper. So then I went back in one more time, get it Creed, Baccarat, done. Then I put 1 spray of Creed right here, and then I put 1 spray of Baccarat right here. Yes, it's that dramatic. Yes, I have to give you that many details. Do you want to purr like nobody's business? Okay. One of the best compliments I can ever hear is, oh my God, you smell so good. What are you wearing? But even better than that, the icing on the cake, better than that, is me sitting at dinner. Every time the waiter walked past, the door would open. I would move my hands, pick up my drink, and got a whiff of myself. Oh, chef's kiss. Okay, I was in my own zone. Nobody was even telling me, and I was like, girl, you smell so good. You guys, I did that. Okay, so moral of the story is, if something doesn't work the first time, first you don't succeed, dust yourself off and try again. No, if it doesn't work the first time and you just feel like it should work, I'm gonna say try it again. I'm gonna say try it again. The shoes, oh God, you guys, I picked these shoes up. They kind of like went with my skin tone. I am so tan right now, but yeah, so these are the kind of shoes I went with because I wanted something that was like a barely there kind of finish. I did pick these up at H&M. They retailed for about $39.99. They were pretty comfortable. I know. I'm doing things over here. Check out the heel though. Do you see the heel dwelling? You guys, this is not a kitten heel, okay? I refuse to touch it. But this is not a kitten heel, okay? I kind of was out there tonight. Tons and tons and tons and tons of compliments on my fragrance. I am super excited that I put that together and I tried it again. I'm gonna go take off the face, go take off my lashes. My lashes smashed in the car because I had to put my glasses on. And you guys, can I just say, do you see this? I kid you not, I did it myself. I did it myself. I am so impressed with my own work. And I'm gonna share with you 2.5 seconds because I have it here. Girl, are you seriously doing this right now? I knew it. I told you guys once I share something with you. This is what I used to do my hair. I picked this up. I will have it linked in the description box below. But this is an Olaplex. I hope I'm saying that right. Olaplex hair system. There's, I think, some other ones that go with it, but you start with a hair mask, which was very different. And then you shampoo it, and then you put the conditioner on. You leave this hair mask on. I believe it's set for like 10 to 15 minutes or longer if desired. I left the conditioner in for about 10 minutes, rinsed it off, and you guys, I am serious, okay? I mean, because I was working out all week, I was just gonna put a band on and go like my Gucci band because it kind of would have matched had I just put this on, but I don't know, I wasn't really going for that vibe. I wasn't. So yeah, I was like, let me just wash my hair and try and do it myself because I knew I couldn't get an appointment and my stylist doesn't work on Fridays and that's the only day I would have had to go in. So anyways, I did it myself. And I'm just saying, I didn't have time to do the curls, so I just did straight because it was easier and simpler. But I'm super excited. I saved a couple of coins, okay? Those coins could go on another fragrance. Thank you very much. Oh, and did I share with you guys I picked up a fragrance? close this vlog out and start another vlog because we have to go and I'm doing too much talking. Oh, and the girls are all saying they made it home. Okay, you guys, yeah, I have to go. I have to let them know that I made it home too. Didn't even tell the girls I made it home. I just came home and called you guys. You see what I mean? Okay, besties, until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darling. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.